So Dave is just pulling up, and I bet he was thinking he'd get a chance to see my overland trailers, but I'm way smarter than that, and I already had everything pulled out ready to go outside with the garage doors closed. That way he never had a chance to see them. All right, what's up guys? So this morning we're heading out for a ride, and the reason we wanted to go out and ride is to try something out. Dave, what do we get?
What do we got?
Yeah, what do we got?
We got a new ride like a month ago.
There you go. Take him over, show him it.
It's right here. It's a RZR.
Yep.
That's it. There's nothing else.
It's a 2018 RZR. There you go. So as you guys know, we have a few videos of RZRs. A while back we had a 2017 for a little bit. We found this 2018 with really low miles, so we thought we would pick it up and play around with it a little bit
and sell it,
and then probably sell it. So anyways, it's in really good shape, just needs to be cleaned really well. But today's the main voyage, and I'm really interested to see, because I'm not sure, but the shocks and stuff I thought changed a little bit in 18, but maybe not.
I don't know.
So it'll be interesting to see as we go out and ride it, to see what it feels like. That's what I'm interested in.
Yeah.
So compared to our 17, or if it changed. But it does already have windshield on it, and a back net, and a street legal kit by Ryko.
Yeah, I think so.
So that's all done over at, where are they out of? They're in Utah. Ryko's out of Utah somewhere. I don't know where, I need to look it up, but they have the full street legal kit on that, which is pretty nice. So anyways, we're just gonna head out to Warner Valley up through into Sand Hollow a little bit today, and just go cruising with the KRX. So
shake it
and
down.
The weather seems actually like it's getting pretty nice. So
should be.
Spin my mind, but I know I gotta keep pushing through. Yeah, I keep doing my own thing. Yeah, never looking back again. I can get it, I can make it. Yeah, I know it, and I'm never looking back again. Yeah, never looking back again. I can get it, I can make it. Yeah, I know it, and I'm never looking back again. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know, and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? But can you help me out?
Lots of sand.
Anyways, we're back at the spot where we had Joe here and not the RZR and the XRC, and Joe hit that rock right over there with his rim. Joe hit that rock right over there with his rim. Joe hit that rock right over there with his rim. I'm just reminding Joe about hitting that rock over there. But it's a lot drier than it was, but we're gonna make a couple runs up it. I've got a few new mods on my KRX, so I'm gonna see if it does any better. I'm not thinking it will.
Do you think you'll make it up to those bushes in the middle?
I don't know. It's 10 times softer than it was last time, and
It's real
really
dry.
this is my this is where I was defeated by the XRC by like a foot. So
Like 2.
like a foot and 8 inches, fine. But anyways,
it's so
Dave,
dry.
jump in the RZR, drive up and see what it does.
Oh,
Still going.
oh, he made it past the bushes.
Still
Holy
going.
cow. Oh, that was pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna beat that.
I don't know. Yours is a lot heavier though, right?
I don't think I'm gonna beat that.
That was where it was gonna go.
But it kept going.
Dude, I'm surprised it went so far.
We were impressed.
Good old RZR. It's got some more ponies than I think more than both of our machines. So it's
So I'm not sure what the RZR comes in at. But you know,
120. I don't even know.
I looked up my machine and it's stock for stock without windshield or anything. I think it was like 486 pounds difference, just stock for stock.
Yeah, I mean that went a lot further than I thought it would.
Well, we're
I was-
sitting there and I'm like, the motor's not bogging. It sounds like it's still going to the top.
Yeah, I was thinking if it were wet, I'd get to the top.
You might have.
We didn't even get that high when it was wet.
No, at least not in the other one.
Yeah,
Well,
now
Garrett,
I'm
your
getting
goal
embarrassed.
is to at least get past those bushes.
I'm gonna get embarrassed now.
All right, Garrett, you can do this.
But tell us how you really feel.
With what?
How he's gonna do here.
Oh, he's not gonna get close. How far did I get compared to him?
You were quite a bit further past those bushes there.
Was it?
Yeah, you were up higher than all of that, so.
Nice try, sucker.
Now watch him hit a rock.
You said get past the bushes. I got past the bushes.
You did.
Barely, but I got past. It is extremely, extremely soft.
You can't even see his marks. The sand is so
Yeah.
smooth right now.
It's crazy how soft it is. I'm gonna try one more time with a little bit better run, but I don't think I have much more than that.
I had to stand in the middle of those and then see how close you are.
Yeah.
I don't think he's any better than
What
last
are you
time.
doing, Garrett? Now he's got to back down. What a tool. Just kidding, Garrett. That's the first time I've ever seen him do that there. He was stretching for every inch he could get there. That's what she said.
Watch me sway, darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, say, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray. Down to the river, down to the river. Sing, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, singing, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek.
All right, so we're gonna wrap it up out here at Sand Hollow. Great day. We have other stuff to do because it's a Saturday. So on the new RZR, we did have a noise when we bought it. We figured we had a noise, and I think we figured out the issue, right, Dave?
Yeah, we did.
So come on over here, Natasha, with the camera. So we got a problem. So we had all this fluid. We've got a blown out or an issue with the shock. There's oil all over from the shock. Here on top of the brake reservoir, and all in here. And now we know what the noise is coming from. So anyways, great times. So maybe we'll look at rebuilding it ourselves, or we'll find somebody to do it for us. So anyways, other than that, the RZR's been running really well, has very low miles on it, and now we got to get the shock fixed. But what's interesting is when we talked to him when we were buying it, he said that this noise has been there since he bought it brand new. He was the original owner. He said within no time of driving it, he had the same noise. So evidently the shock might have been blowing out forever. So
That's what I'm thinking.
but yeah. Anyway, so that's it. Make sure whatever you pack in, you pack out, right, Dave?
That's right. Pack out your garbage, you dirty people. Get in. It's not the people that watch our videos.
So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And what do we have? We'll put the Skydo link in.
Sky-D-O, dude.
Oh, sorry, Sky-D-O.
Sky-D-O.
We'll put the Sky-D-O
How are we gonna
according
get
to
a free
Dave.
one if you can't even
The
say the name
Sky-D-O in our description below. Check it out. So far, we have been extremely impressed with the tracking capability. I think it's one of the best out. Takes a little while to GPS to sync and stuff, but other than that, the tracking on it is amazing. So, all right, great times, great weather. Always nice to get out real quick and ride. Check you on the next one.
Peace.
Dave.
Memories filling up my mind and I can't seem to push him back. These times ingrained in my mind and I just can't let it go. How did I lose the way through the things that really matter? These complications spin my mind, but I know I gotta keep pushing through.